Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. My name is Rolua Makonjola, but I'm popularly known as IfePinkies. If you're new here, thanks so much for stopping by. Please don't make it your last. And to all our returning subscribers, I really do appreciate. So in today's video, I'll be showing you how I achieve my sweat-proof or waterproof makeup using affordable or drugstore makeup products like I used on my face. So without wasting much of your time, let's jump right into the video. So the first thing you want to do is to make sure that you have your face clean. Now, using wipes alone cannot get the dirt out. So I would advise you use like a micellar water or something. You want to make sure that your face is properly moisturized. Focus on under your eyes. I'm just giving it like a few minutes for my moisturizer to just, absorb into my skin or just, get a little bit dry. So you want to go ahead and moisturize your lips. I'm going to be using translucent powder, or some people call it white powder. I'm just going to apply it all over my face. You're going to avoid your eye area, that's your under your eyes and then your lip area. So I've done that. And the next thing I want to do right now is to go in with my spray. So I'm just going to give it a shake and yeah. So for foundation, I'll just be using the drugstore foundation. Any foundation of your choice will do. I'm talking about affordable foundations here. So for application, I can't remember the name of this brush. I've had it for years, and I'm just going to spray before I start applying. Just dabbing in, pressing it into my skin.
Keep on blending. Make sure that your foundation application is flawless and try to work in sections to avoid your foundation from drying out. Be sure that you are using a good foundation. Affordable does not mean bad.
If you're used to a beauty blender, go ahead and use your beauty blender, whatever works for you. But this is how I apply mine. I'm just going to put a little bit on my brows. Okay. You want to be sure that the application is flawless. And then you're going to go into your concealer. I'm just going to use a little bit under into my eye.
Start from the outer corner and work your way inward. You can also use a beauty blender. Keep on blending with a light hand till it's well blended.
Now you don't want to go in with a loose powder first so that it doesn't give you patches. So I'm just going to go in first with a mineral powder. So I'm using this Milani, and that's a medium. I'm going to pack it in again while looking up. And I'll repeat the process for the next eye. So I'm just going to go ahead and apply my powder all over my face. Please use a powder shade that is the same thing with your skin tone. You want to make sure that you set the side of your nose, your smile lines. I'm just going to go ahead and set my under eye, not too much. Side of my nose.
You can also use a beauty blender to apply this loose powder under your eyes. Just make sure that your beauty blender is not too damp. We want to apply it on our T-zone. We're going to apply it on our chin, on our forehead, on our nose.
I'll be using one of the shades here. It's my eyeshadow, but then you can double as a blush. So I'm going to go over it with my Milani Baked Blush. I love this blush so much. It's a baked blush. I love. It comes in different, shades, but I really love this one. I think this is very good. Yeah. So for brows, I'll be using my brow tamer. Any brow tamer of your choice. Some people don't use brow tamer, it's not compulsory. I actually wanted to do these brows off camera, but then I just thought, I'm going to just do it on camera.
If you want a detailed brow tutorial, let me know in the comment section and I'll film that close up for you.
So I've applied my brow tamer and I'm just going to go into any loose powder and just dab it on the brow tamer. Sometimes these brow tamers, Some of them can be oily. For brows, I'll be using again Esther, and I'm using the shade Nubia. So you just want to apply a little bit and dab off the excess on your hand. You want to make sure that you dab off the excess on your hand. Use a flat brush, please.
You want to go in with a very light hand and keep building up till you have the desired shade that you want. If you cannot use a brow gel or brow pomade, please use a pencil.
And you can see it already looks fine. I'm just going to repeat the same thing here. So I'll be using my baby's pencil to fill up my brows. You can use any brow pencil of your choice. I have here with me different types of brow pencils. Okay. I use them from time to time. They're very affordable. Sharpen your pencil. You just want to fill up any part where you do not have anything.
If you hold your pencil too tight, you're going to end up drawing harsh lines, and we don't want that. We just want a very light strokes. Apply this gently.
So I'm just going to use a little bit of concealer to lighten up the brows a bit.
Do this gently. You want to make sure that you've not cleaned the brows. You just took your time to draw. For this part, you need a very little foundation, the same skin tone. Don't use a lighter shade of foundation, and just gently you just want to make sure that you have a clean brow. You just want to make sure that it's very sharp. That's all.
So I'm just blending in the top parts with the brush to make sure that everything is just well blended. I finished my brows off camera, and I'm just applying my foundation all over my lid.
I used a setting powder. You can use the translucent powder to just set your. I'm going for a smoky look, so the first step is to apply a light brown shade in the crease of my eyes with a blending brush, and I'm blending back and forth to make sure that I have, a seamless application. I'll go in now with my black eyeshadow on my eyelid. I'm going to apply that carefully, and I'm also going to use the blending brush to just blend it seamlessly. Note how I'm applying this black eyeshadow. I'm not putting too much. I'm just going in gently and I'm blending gradually. Now I'm using the blending brush to just blend out any harsh lines. So I'm just going to move over into contouring. You want to make sure that the shade of powder you're using is not too dark. Maybe a shade darker is fine. Just watch how I do this. So using a smudge brush, I just smudged in the dark black eyeshadow underneath my eyes and blended it well. So I went into my loose powder again and I blended off any dirt, any fallout under my eyes. Now I'm lining with the black eyeliner. You want to make sure that you're using a waterproof eyeliner. For mascara, make sure that you're using a good brand. Affordable, like I said earlier, doesn't mean that the product is bad. Some affordable products are really nice, so make sure that you're using a good brand of mascara. So I just reapplied my powder to make sure that I have a flawless finish, and I went in with my highlighter. Apply this on the bridge of your nose, your T-zone, gently.
For my lips, I'll be using Milani and this very affordable lipstick. I'm just going to spray my face one last time, and this time around I'm just going to go a little bit further away from my face so that it doesn't get my makeup wet. So right now we're just going to be doing a test. So let's go. Okay. So I'm just going to move closer to the camera just so that you really judge if this makeup is actually waterproof, okay? Can you see? Please give this video a thumbs up, make sure you subscribe, comment down below, let me know what you think about today's makeup, and I'll see you in my next video. I love you guys, stay happy.